everyone. So please do like and subscribe this video if you really like it. So let's first discuss something about react.js. So react.js is a JavaScript framework which is developed by Facebook, and it is used in many applications right now. So react.js basically works on DOM elements, or like virtual DOM. So what we need to do is we need to search for react.js in our browser. So the first link that we get is reactjs.org. We can go to this react.js. Also, like, instead of doing this, what we can do is react.js download, and the first link we will download this starter kit, right? So before I extract the starter kit, what I will do is I will create a new directory in my R&D folder. So let's say mkdir, my first react app. Let me navigate to this directory now. So now that I have navigated to this directory, I will open my Visual Studio Code over here. So for doing that, I have used code dot. Over here I will create a simple index.html file, or any file name you can keep. Also I will create a folder over here, and I will put it as name as JS. So in this JS folder, what I will be doing is I would be extracting my files, and will go to this builds folder and copy this react.js and react dom.js file. We'll copy it and move this folder or file inside here. So let's copy the path. Over here, what I will do is I will go to my builds folder and copy these files and move it to my JS file. Right. So for using React in our application, we need to reference this file. So let's first create a doc type of HTML, which is that this is a HTML5 document. I've got a head. So this is going to be my first React app. Right. I will create a body. Also I will create a div inside the body with a ID of container. So this div I will be using to populate my container. So this div I will be using for populating my elements. So first reference our react.js. After that I will be referencing my script src is equal to js slash react.js. So once I have referenced these two things, what I will do is I will create a script tag, and inside this what I want to achieve is I will create a function that is going to be a timer function. So in the timer function I will say where element is equal to react dot create element. So for creating the element, first thing I will pass the div, the second will be null, and the last thing which I need to pass is like the time is new date to locale time string for getting the time. Also I will just close it. Right. So once I have done this, what I need to do is I need to render my element. So I will say react dom dot render. I want to render my element, and where I want to render is like document dot get element by id, and I will simply pass my container name over there. So now that my function is created, what I will do is I will put a set interval and pass my timer function over there, and I want to reload it after every 1 second. So let's open this file in Chrome. So what we can do is we can go to that folder, copy path, and open it. So if you see over here, the timer is running and the title which I have given is working. So if you really like and love this video, then please do subscribe and leave a comment if for any feedback. Thanks for watching the video.